Rob here, and welcome to this, my project on my new Tamiya TT-02 Type S. I've just discovered that we've got some UK stocks of these, so I thought I'd order it. I've got Mark helping me out on the camera.
Hi there.
And basically I've been looking for a rally car, but couldn't find anything that I really liked. But after seeing Mark's TT-02 Type S and how well it performed,
Well, you've had to go with it as well, haven't you, mate?
I have had to go with it, and it is really good, and it survives crashes really well.
Yeah.
I thought, well, I'll go for it and just get a separate body for it, because this kit doesn't come with a body. But I'm not going to do a full unboxing, because I've already done a TT-02 unboxing for my Lancia, so but there are a lot of quite significant upgrades that you get with this kit.
Oh yes.
Considering the little difference in price between this and a normal TT-02. So we'll get those bits out and we'll talk you through them.
So, hey Rob, are you going to show us what this body's going to be, or is it a secret?
I will show you a bit later, but we'll have a bit of a talk about that. It's going to be a Mk1 Escort.
Ooh, I love a Mk1 Escort, Rob, dog bone, beautiful. Sure.
So, let's get on and do it, dude.
Cheers mate, let's do it.
Okay Mark, so here are all the upgrade bits that you get with it. First of all, we'll hum over this, but you get a bespoke TT-02 Type S install guide because of all of these upgrades that you get with it. We've then got some bespoke or upgraded suspension parts. We've got stainless steel bars that mount the lower wishbones or A-arms, and the I can never remember what these are called. Ball joint connectors.
Ball connectors, yeah. 5mm ball connectors I think aren't there, mate?
Yeah, we've got different steering hubs from the stock and proper C hubs rather than the horrible things that you didn't get with the stock TT-02.
Yeah, it's all in one, isn't it? It's the steering and the suspension up and down movement all in one ball joint thing, isn't it?
It is, yeah. And rear wheel carriers.
It's made of the harder plastic as well, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
I think it's reinforced.
I think so too,
it
yeah.
Might be carbon reinforced.
Yeah. So should be a lot stiffer, hopefully.
For half an hour.
Yes. And then we've got the FRP, fibre reinforced plastic damper stays front and rear.
Very nice. We've
then got all metal drive gear for your front and back wheels.
You've got but drive cups, haven't you?
And the dog bones,
and the wheel shafts, obviously they're steel.
You then get CVA oil dampers with it.
Those are very short, aren't they?
They are.
The super minis, are they called?
I think they are, yeah.
But I can tell you, I've used them on mine, and if you put the longer ends on, even though it's a short body, you still get decent suspension travel.
It's surprising, isn't it?
Yeah, it doesn't look like they'd work, but they do, don't they?
Yeah. Torque tune motor. Quite a lot of the other TT-02 kits do come with a torque tune, but some of them don't as well. So
that's right, yeah.
I thought I'd show you that. You get a little bit of decals just with TT-02 Type S, so I may stick some of them on the body. We then got some lovely blue anodised spacers and other little spacers that you don't normally get.
Yep.
We've got a full turnbuckle set.
That's we didn't mention that, do we? Over there you've got the bottom arms, but the top arms are just turnbuckles, aren't they?
They are, yes.
That's it.
And we've got steel ball connectors rather than the brass ones that wear out really quickly, so that's another bonus.
Yep, it's all good. We
then get a full, turn it over, ball bearing set included in the kit.
Woohoo!
Yeah, and more turnbuckles and aluminium 12mm hex adapters.
Yep.
So that's another cool thing.
Yep, for driving the wheels.
Yeah. We then get the hard 900 CST damper oil,
which you're going to need.
Yeah. and obviously a turnbuckle wrench. We've got two different bits of grease, but for some reason the manual doesn't actually distinguish between which you should use.
That's right.
It just says grease.
You've got is it molly grease in there, Rob?
Yeah.
And what's the other one?
The other was ceramic.
Ceramic, that's right. So yeah, I mean ceramic's normally on plastic, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
And the molly's normally for
the metal
the
to metal.
Metal to metal, but in this I don't think there is any, so no. I don't know. Anyway, gives you the choice, doesn't it?
And you get these nice squidgy tyres that won't be going on.
I was going to say, if it's for a rally, I don't think you'll be using those.
I've got some rally wheels and tyres that actually I've taken off me Beetle for put on till I get some rally block tyres that I might put on these, and these are quite nice, so I might attempt, if I can get any orange paint, to give them a bit of a buffing and paint them orange to match.
Hang on a minute, Rob, you're giving a bit away now.
Sorry.
Orange wheels, orange wheels, sir.
Yeah.
What could that be for?
That could
what
be for,
could be for that paint scheme, mate?
This.
Hang on, let me zoom in. Right, I got you.
The Mk1 Escort that I'm going to do as a rally car, but since ordering it I discovered that it's actually a touring car.
Well, you mean for the livery you've got? For
the livery I've got, yeah.
Right.
From the Finnish Touring Car Championships.
What, you mean it's ended? Sorry, Finland. It's from Finland.
That's it. But you get light buckets for the front lights with it. You get some wing mirrors.
Yeah, got that.
You get window masks.
Can't really see that on this monitor, but it might come out on the actual video.
Yeah, should do.
So where's this body from, Rob? Where'd you get it from?
This is from L&L Models.
Did you say that earlier? Sorry, I wasn't sure.
No, I didn't. I forgot.
Right. Okay, so it's not a Tamiya shell then?
Some other stuff. No, it's not a Tamiya.
Right.
But and slightly miffed because in their website they've got this section called Rally Bodies.
Right.
And it was in there, but then I figured that there wouldn't be any instructions on where to stick the decals.
Yeah.
So I was having a look on the internet, and that's when I found out that this particular livery, which is the Gulf.
Oh, I do like a Gulf livery, Rob.
Yeah. Well, that's why I went for it, to be honest.
I see why you're on about the orange wheels now.
Yeah.
Very nice decal set or sticker set. They're pre-cut, are they, dude?
They are pre-cut, but nicely they've actually overprinted the colours.
Right.
So the cut lines are actually in, on this for instance, the black. So there's no clear on the outside.
No overlap. Well, you know I'm jealous now, don't you? I've had to see my last video.
Yeah, and it is actually printed on clear vinyl as well.
Well, that's not bad. And that comes with the body set, does it?
Yeah, all that comes with, both of these come with the body set.
Cool.
And I know you won't be able to see, but this front grille is going to be a bit of a nightmare because it's separate stickers.
Oh my gosh. But like, does look very good quality though, Rob. It looks it's a decent print, that, isn't it?
They are, yes. And as you can see here, this one's for Matti Camilinian.
God, I can't even see it through the monitor.
Yeah, whatever it is, whoever he was. But yeah, he was touring cars from something like 69 to 75.
Right. But anyway, it's going to be a rally car, so you know, what the hell. It's going to look gorgeous with that. Obviously it's a light blue body you need to paint then. So have you got any pictures of that, Rob, the finished, what it should look like, or could you put one up, do you think?
I don't know whether I dare because of copyright.
Okay, oh man. So have you got, can you show us the paint colour then? Oh, let's have a look. Oh, very nice.
Of the light blue.
That's a nice, looks like a baby blue, isn't it?
Yeah. It goes with the orange,
powder
hopefully.
Blue. Yeah, well that's going to pop, that is, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to that, mate.
And it almost matches that.
Yeah, excellent.
And then I also managed to get...
Oh, you jammy so-and-so.
a rally body kit.
Who did you kill for that?
Again, I was having a look and just found someone with them in stock, so I ordered it quickly.
Let's just show them the part number, Rob, in case anyone wants to get one. If you could, well, if you can find one for love or money.
Yeah, 54491.
There you go. Nice one.
So that's about it. That's going to be my latest project. I don't think there's anything else. So with that, I hope you've enjoyed this and look forward to seeing you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.
See ya.